Welcome everybody to the Family DIY channel. Today I'm going to show you how I like to clean my Coleman spa. So I'm sure there's plenty of different ways that you'll find online on how to clean your spa, but this is the way I like to do it. First, I pick it up, I unhook the pump with the heater in it, and then I roll it over onto my grassy area over here. If you don't have that space, you can always just clean it right where it is, but this allows me to roll it down. This shows you how easy it is to move it around. It's really not that heavy. So look how easy it is, just one-handed, just kind of moving it around. And this will allow me to dump any of the excess water that I could not drain out. And this will allow me to get some good access in here to scrub it. So the first thing I do, well obviously the first thing is drain it, but then I tip it on its side and I start looking around the sides here where some of the debris can get caught. You can kind of see there's a little bit right there going around. So this is why I like to lean it up on its side, grab my trusty hose, do a little first action shooter style, get in there. And you can see the amount of junk that's just coming in just from the corners of the spa. And then don't forget to get all the backs here. And then tell your dog to stop jumping on the back. Mia, stop. So now that you have that gunk on the bottom, you can tip it out into your grass. You're going to do this a couple times, and it'd be good to kind of rotate it around a few times. You might actually have to flip it all the way upside down like so to make sure everything comes out. And as you can see, one-handed, this is very easy to move around. So if you haven't bought one of these yet, you can see how easy it is once there's no water in it to move it around. So I'm sure everybody's going to have their own opinion on what type of chemicals they want to use, but I decided to just use my Kitchen Pro Lysol antibacterial cleaner, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray around this thing, and then use this brush, just kind of work it on in there, and then we'll just rinse it out. So now that we have sprayed the entire tub, we'll just kind of work our way around here with the brush and clean it. You're probably not going to get all the stain marks off, but you'll be able to get all the dirt and grime and whatever else that might have been kicking on your spa, making it look ugly. All right, so now that I've gone through and cleaned the whole thing out, now it's just time to give it a rinse job. So now I'm just going to leave it upside down for a little while, make sure all the water dropped out. I'm going to rinse it out 1 or 2 more times just to make sure I got all the gunks and the chemicals out of it. And then make sure you don't forget to go ahead and clean the underside of your lid. I'd recommend taking out the entire inflatable thing, scrubbing down the cover itself here, not only the inflatable. And then once you get that, you can put it back in and blow it up. And as you can see, it really doesn't take all that much effort to clean one of these off. The material here is really good, so most of the gunk and stuff doesn't actually get into it. You might still get a little bit of this pink reddish area. I haven't been able to get rid of that unless you're putting some good harsh chemicals on there, but that could possibly damage the material itself. However, do note this is actually my second Coleman spa. I actually had one that's on my videos. It's the one that I did my first review on. I got that thing, what, like, I don't know, like 4 or 5 years ago. It finally died on me just because it was outside 24/7 for years. Just started losing air, so I ended up, because I loved it so much, this is my second one right here. So as you can see, it's actually very easy to clean a Coleman spa. I've had this thing for years. This is my second one. No problems at all, other than just finally after a while, it just died on me. But these things are only good for a couple of years, and this thing lasted more than the life expectancy of the spa. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video to be useful, don't forget to give us a good thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and if you have any questions on the Coleman spa, just drop them in the comment section below, and I'll most likely respond. Thanks.